Legal news, the attorney who was initially set to represent the man charged with murder in the death of Tupac Shakur says Duane Keefe D Davis is no longer his client. An attorney for an accused killer, Duane Keefe D Davis, has withdrawn from the case. Davis is the only man.
The prosecution, Mark DiGiacomo. On the other, the defense side, Ross Goodman, Michael Horvath. So how do they all end up in the same photo? Open bar, closed case? Round 1. Guess who's coming to the wedding? The prosecutor, riding in a Rolls Royce. Driven by the defense attorney's law partner. Your ride is arriving, opposing counsel's law partner. 5 stars. Rolls Royce, 1 minute away. Destination, not disclosed. Cancel the ride, because a man's life is the fare.
Mr. It looks like you submitted this on behalf of Las Vegas Corruption Line. So what is Las Vegas Corruption Line?
Legal news, the attorney who was initially set to represent the man charged with murder in the death of Tupac Shakur says Duane Keefe D Davis is no longer his client. Ross Goodman said in an email that Davis was not able to meet the terms of the agreement. It's unknown who will now represent Davis going forward. An attorney for an accused killer, Duane Keefe D Davis, has withdrawn from the case. Davis is the only man ever charged in connection with the killing of rap icon Tupac Shakur. Robert Draskovich informed a judge yesterday that there was an issue with his retainer and requested to withdraw as attorney of the record for Duane Keefe D Davis. This is according to the court transcript. The judge set a hearing for March 31st to determine a new attorney for him. He's currently at the High Desert State Prison serving time for a fight with another inmate at the Clark County Detention Center. This is the second time that there's been an attorney change for Davis since he was arrested in 2023.
Las Vegas, Nevada. A man sits in custody, charged with murder, in one of the most watched cases in the country. The state on one side, the defense on the other. That's how it's supposed to work. Adversaries, opposing counsel, 2 sides of the same murder case. On one side, the prosecution, Mark DiGiacomo. On the other, the defense side, Ross Goodman, Michael Horvath. So how do they all end up in the same photo? Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. A destination wedding. Nobody leaked it. Nobody dug it up. He posted it himself on his own Instagram. Look at who's in the frame. 1. The prosecutor on the murder case. 2. An attorney who represented the defendant. 3. The law partner of the attorney who came next. 1 wedding. 1 case. 3 chairs that are supposed to be on different sides of it. Open bar, closed case. Round 1. Guess who's coming to the wedding? The prosecutor, the former defense attorney, the next attorney's partner. Correct, all 3. Same trip, same case. No shit. And then there's the second photo. The prosecutor, riding in a Rolls Royce. Driven by the defense attorney's law partner. Passenger, the prosecution. Driver, the defense side. He posted that one too, on Facebook. Somewhere there's an app for this. Your ride is arriving, opposing counsel's law partner. 5 stars. Rolls Royce, 1 minute away. Destination, not disclosed. Cancel the ride, because a man's life is the fare. Now let me be precise, because this part matters. I'm not telling you a crime happened. I'm not telling you anybody fixed a case. I'm not telling you any rule was broken. I don't have evidence of any of that. But the photos exist. The prosecutor posted them, and the case was already underway. So who looked at that and thought it looked fine? Underneath the jokes is the part that isn't funny. A man is facing the rest of his life in prison. The public has to believe the sides are real. The standard was never only actual bias. It's the appearance of it. Justice can't look like a group chat with a shared flight itinerary. 3 questions somebody should have to answer. Was it disclosed? Was it on the record? Did the defendant know? Until somebody answers, look at the photos he posted and ask who Cabo was for. Same case, same trip, adversaries in the courtroom, guests at the same wedding. Ask about the photos.
Mr. It looks like you submitted this on behalf of Las Vegas Corruption Line. So what is Las Vegas Corruption Line?